Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they normally say shall never end. See, today we just want to talk about Nafdac. A lot of Nigerians, including very dark man, they storm out openly to wage a protest against the Nafdac. But before I will start, a lot of people did not really know what Nafdac stands for. Let me just tell you brief something about Nafdac so that you will be able to follow up the reason for this protest. Now let's go. Nafdac stands for National Agency for Food and Drugs Administration and Control. It is also a regulatory agency responsible for ensuring the safety, quality, and effects of food, drugs, cosmetics, and other regulated products in Nigeria. Nafdac was established in 1993, regulates the manufacture, important exportation, distribution, and sales of food, drugs, and other products. Now, a lot of things has happened that it just look like Nafdac is not working. Okay, but all the same, I just want to give you a brief about what we are going to see in this video. Nigerians have come out to protest against Nafdac so that when they are protesting, you will know the reason, things that are failing, like our food, cosmetics, a lot of things that has expired date, that they are still in the market, people still buy them, a lot of food that are meant to throw off, people will still put them on sales and collect money from people. A lot of creams that they use, a lot of them are fake, but let us listen to what is really going on, and I'll be right back.
Now, the PMS boss, post-marketing surveillance in Nafdac, is a useless person, and his uselessness is causing harms to a lot of Nigerians. The incompetence of the directors in Nafdac is sending a lot of people to the hospital. A lot of fake drugs on the streets, a lot of fake drinks on the streets. Just imagine TJ Omori was hospitalized. He currently needs a kidney. And we have Nafdac. These people get paid. It's not as if they don't get paid. Nafdac get paid, but they don't do what they are paid for. They sit down in their offices and they do nothing. I even brought a complaint against the useless Oga. I brought a complaint against the useless PMS boss. Instead of him to take the complaint serious after the effort created for Nafdac awareness, this man is still in that office doing absolutely nothing. So, if you know you care about Nigerians, you should also join the struggle to put Nafdac on check. Nafdac is useless to us, and they should scrap Nafdac because they are not doing their job. Other than that, a lot of young people go into businesses. If you call Nafdac to authenticate your product, they will not do it. Instead, they will charge you money to pay for bribe before they give you the Nafdac number. There are some products that you can register for 35-45K. But Nafdac, if you can collect like maybe 100.
Let me check. No, day. But my check, ask my boss. Let me ask my boss. I want to ask my boss.
Especially that PMS boss, Mr. Protess.
Alright, sir.
That's his name. Wait up. Mr. Protess, especially him. I brought products and I gave it to him to test. He told me in confidence that he has tested it and it is Nafdac approved. And it is not Nafdac approved. Oh yeah, go and do your work now. He refused. He started turning me upside down. You understand? So I'm here for my feedback letter, and also why is Nafdac this useless? Nigerians are dying. It's as simple as ABCD. And if after today the useless man does not make use of himself or his useless office, he should resign if he's not ready to work for the people. Mr. President, Mr. Freedom Nichols should resign. Nafdac is useless for Nigeria. And they are very useless.
They capture you now.
They pay him and he does nothing. He should take it to court if he feels I'm lying that he's useless. Mr. Freedom Nichols, I say 100%. You are very, 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 very useless. Boss, you should what? Mr. Freedom Nichols should what? He does not care about Nigerians, obviously. I have created awareness for them to make Nafdac job easy. I have created skincare awareness. Everything I've done. In short, they even sue me. The people when I report, they will sue me. I will go court. I mean, they pay for all my court cases. You understand? But it can't be as if after all these things, the man will just collect money, will just keep quiet. You understand? So if he's in the office, he should come and come and say I'm lying, that he did not tell me that the product I brought to him is not registered. But from nowhere, people like say they don't give him money. Nigeria, they don't give him money. Because if they never give this Nafdac man money, if I don't do the right thing, TJ Omori still need kidney. Now because TJ Omori popular, now why we know a lot of young people they hospital. Then when they don't get kidney again, because Nafdac when they do their work. You understand? So we're going to wait for the man. If the useless man is inside, we don't want to force ourselves in. Don't bother yourself. We are not out. You understand? We don't force ourselves inside. We cannot scatter government property. It's our government. It's our Nigeria. It's our own property. But if some heads in Nafdac will not make use of themselves, then we the people can come out and say, Oga, do your work. You understand? So you should come with my feedback letter first. Tell your Oga to come with my feedback Mr. Freedom Nichols should resign, or he should give me my feedback letter. He's incompetent and he should not be working in Nafdac.
It's a babu.
Or you should give me my feedback letter. I'm in court. I got sample for you. I did court. You don't want to give me sample and I did court. It's like saying the man. I'll give you my this thing away.
It's not supposed to be a public
Yeah. Let's hear from them.
First of all, I've created a lot of awareness, as people know on social media. Right? Now, this is because I'm very important. So nice. Calm down.
No noise.
Calm down. This is because I'm a patriotic citizen. You understand? Now, first time I think about skincare. I was taking to court. It was not acknowledgement anywhere that okay, Nafdac is expensive. In order to create an example so that people will be careful. Single-handedly, I have been able to shut down skincare people that sell fake skincare products online. You understand? Recently, I bought a product from one pastor. The product did not work. And the pastor claimed that the products have Nafdac. When I came, I brought the complaint here. I even brought the product that I bought. This man said he's going to do his investigation. Now, when you bring a product or anything, when you bring a complaint, there's supposed to be a feedback. Now, he told me in his office that, okay, see what's going to happen. That he has gone to the man's church, he bought the product, and he has confirmed that they are not that he's going to do the needful. Now, I'm in court. He's not doing the needful. Instead, if I call him, I say, where's my feedback? He will tell me, You understand? He should either give me my feedback letter or we'll stay here. Because to be honest, he's useless in the office. That's fact. You can take me to court anytime. He's useless.
It's a good language.
Sir. No, in Nigeria there are some
Yes,
incompetent.
Why you are not listening to
The man
us?
is incompetent and he's useless in the office. He should leave.
It is better.
That's our side.
Okay. So you should give me my feedback letter. Or don't they give feedback letter when you drink complaints?
You brought a complaint.
Yes.
Beatrice is only the medical person. This law, if you take your complaint, they have to do investigation. And the only way you can do investigation is take it through a lab process.
He said he has done that.
This is not the work. It's not a
He
lab
said he has
process.
done that.
Is that what he told you?
Yes. I said he told me in full confidence that he has done everything he needs to do.
He has got a lab.
I went to his office now. Okay, will I lie to you? Why do I have so much confidence to come here? Because he told me. So from nowhere, it's almost as if something happened. Maybe they gave him something and then he kept quiet. Other than that, you people know this now that is lazy. Let's not even talk about that one.
I have.
That one is the information he told you now. You have heard my own information now.
The investigation is ongoing.
How long?
Now that's number one.
Number two, okay, let's see that one. Number two, a lot of fake dreams are blind.
Yes!
What is Nafdac doing about it? See TG Omori. TG Omori is in the hospital now. So what are people doing? Your social media don't work. Your social media handles nothing work. You people are so sluggish. You people are updating your team from like 2800. I don't know where you will get 19800. You people are just anyhow selling drugs now. Yes,
How many paracetamol do you have now? Paracetamol not there.
Why are you laughing?
Now we have different brands of paracetamol.
Now that's another one. Again, a lot of your payment. Did you people
Why did you say that?
No, you will not tell me you are not aware.
Why did you stand there calling this?
You don't have it. You don't have it. You know, okay, but how many times have you gone to verify and authenticate the place where people make products? How many times? You yourself. You as a boss. Yes.
Okay, answer that question.
Everybody has to If you prove, let's be serious.
Yes.
Don't be because
How many paracetamol don't market? What's that? How many
Are you not
you know what this time the time we don't know what you call it. Why did you take us from? Why did you take us from this country? Why did you take us from this country? Supplying jobs to us. Give me us preference.
Hey, let us go outside. Take drugs.
She dey hear who? She dey who? She dey
Come outside. Come outside.
come outside.
Madam.
Calm down.
How many jobs did you get? About paracetamol, don't move on. Job. And the para, they pay me. They pay me.
If that man talking here, I'm gonna bust her papa.
Which man? This is not bitch. You cannot Audience.
Don't match me. You slap me the mind. No man, give me now. Wait. Wow.
There's a process.
This will not allow you to hear this thing.
You gather at a particular point, okay, and you started coming here. Once you have the process here, you have come, you take off whatever you have come. We've had you.
Will I get my feedback? Feedback is easy. When will I get? Give them your own time. You give them enough time. Give them your own time. You give them enough time. I'm coming back tomorrow. That should come tomorrow. So your word is good enough. Your word is good enough. Are we going to come tomorrow? Yes. You know what come? No. If you don't get something with them, wait. And believe me, when I say see, this is the person that can. This is the only person that can talk to you now. If you ask him to come, I'll give you the number. Give him your number. If you respond well to it, I'll give you the number. Please give him the number. Exactly. Calm down, Mona, calm down. Everywhere good. Mona, do that. Mena, raise that your man video now. Mana, she go man video now. Mana, she go man video now. Raise your banner up.
Angry men, they will.
Not too bad drugs.
We don't fear government.
Not too bad drugs.
We don't fear government. Me dey do me that feature fine yo.
They push me. Just come down. Okay, don't push me. You tell me. No. Not you are disrespecting me. Take off your hand. Tell me excuse you.
Nobody push you. No.
Relax.
Nothing dey happen. Ogogo kill their papa, make them no do well. Ogogo kill their papa.
We'll take it easy. People are see your money.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.